Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support by watching my videos. I'm here at Atok Benguet, Northern Flower Farm. Please join me. I will give you a quick tour. I hope you enjoy it. Ang ganda guys ng view oh. Guys, we have a 2 ticket to Northern Flower Farm in Atok Benguet. Let's go and check it out. Ito guys, nandito na tayo sa farm entrance ng Northern Flower Blossoms. Ayan, hintayin lang natin yung nakakasama ko. Sun Dragon Flower. Yan siya guys. So I think ang ganda niya. This is a tourist spot. Sa gilid and meron din siyang at the back. So let's go this way. And guys, ang dami namin no. It's 6 AM here in Atok Benguet, Philippines.
Hi, si Luna. Luna? Ano si Luna?
Alright. Let's move to ano, ang dami kasi nila dito. Punta tayo sa ano, isa. Wow! Ang ganda niya. Tawag niya. Sabi ng aming tourist guide is this one all goes down. Oh my goodness. It's so lovely.
Anong background music?
Para siyang plastic guys, so. Wow. This is perfect. Look at this guys at the back. Look. Up to there. Ito si guys sa baba. Ang ganda. Let's go downstairs so that we can see it better. So beautiful. Baba tayo guys. Meron siyang ano dito. Kapit tayo. Medyo matarik siya. Kita sila eh. Delphilenium. Let's see. Ah, sorry. Dahon. Ang ganda niya guys. So, mahal ito sa flower shop in London. I see the other one there. My employer buy. It's so expensive. Ganda. Ganda guys. Ito kasi guys is puro pababa. Puro pababa tayo. And so let's go down there. You know guys, this flower is very expensive in London. This my employer buy this every week. You have this kind of flower. It's very expensive. You know, she pays 70 pounds for this one. Tingnan natin guys yung next. Wow! Ang ganda. Kasi pababa siya eh. This one is so amazing. Let's go down there.
One, two, three.
Ganda guys, oh. Ganda. Ayun guys. Mababa tayo. It's really cold here in Baguio City. Kaya medyo ano yung aking I travel by. And it's so beautiful. Let's go there. Ayan. Bababa tayo. Cabbage roses pala siya. Kaya pala siya ay napakaganda. Let's go near. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Cabbage roses. Wow. Doon, namumukadkad na siya eh. Nakita niyo guys. The flower farm. Baba tayo guys. Ang ganda ng view.